Welcome to another episode of That Crazy Triangle Guy. Here we are looking at a crazy screen of stuff here. February 27th was when I made this video on AVAX, ICP, Sol, and Bitcoin. So let's revisit this. February 27th. You can see where we were at the triangle. And let's get out of here. Go back over to our other thingamabobber here. Looking at AVAX on the 4-hour time frame. February 27th is right there. We bought AVAX at about $39 something, I think. And then it went up and it came back down, and I'm like, ah, shit. But ended up going all the way practically to the end of the triangle before busting out. Very typical. Now we measured this X target up here a couple different ways with the leg of the height of the triangle here, and then also measuring this bull flag, pull pattern gave us the same target, and just about there. So, and got the time pretty accurate too. Although, it depends on what happens in the market. We could maybe follow the center line of this channel and hit that target up over here sometime. How many weeks out is that? Where are we at right now? Yeah, we could hit it over here a couple weeks or so. Now, let's see what kind of move that was. I'm eager to see. I'm over here about, I think it was 39.5-ish. About there to where we are at today. 55% move. Sweet. All right. Now, let's see. The other one of the other ones was ICP. ICP, here we go. Let's look at what's going on there. All right, so we had a triangle pattern here with ICP. We have the green target up here. And previously, I guess I remember I had drawn a little squiggly path thing. And I remember, I believe it had been lower or over here or something, and I just moved it over. And it seemed to coincide nicely with this path. Now, yeah, but we're not doing what we're supposed to do with ICP. We are coming down again here. So what this looks like to me is that we're simply extending this triangle out here. It's part of a parallel channel that base is. Anyway, I do not. Well, let's just draw a line there. Huh. Kind of want to make it parallel to that channel. Oh, it does take us over here. You know what? I'm going to pause the video. All right, so I just got this white line down below our purple, the bottom of our purple parallel channel, which is the base of the triangle. The white line is now the base of the triangle. So, still consolidating within this. Haven't had a breakout yet. Imagine that'll be coming in the next, maybe before the end of the month, possibly into April. And might make our target a little bit higher, like maybe up around this pink line. Sometime around the halving, maybe up around $30, currently at $12. But let's see what we've got from where we did purchase that. February 27th was up around, I think it was closer to $13 when we got it. Maybe $12.90, something like that. So we're down just a bit. Not much. I won't even measure it. $12.50, $12.90. Down a little bit, a few percentage points there. Okay. Oh, the other thing I want to mention is that ICP and Chainlink seem to be moving opposite to AVAX and Solana. So now we're looking at ICP in terms of AVAX. And yeah, it's down quite a bit. Let's look at it on the daily. It is down quite a bit. So I don't know. I don't know what to say about it. All right, so let us move on to Chainlink. Chainlink is not doing anything either. What kind of pattern did we have here? Oh, we made a target using the flagpole thing here. I don't know what those green ones are, but let's look at the yellow ones here. Targets up there. Kind of looks like we're just going past it. We're just going sideways with Chainlink. But when did we buy this? 27th. Where's my, come on, where's my line? Are you kidding me? All right, I got to pause. I'm not getting a line. All right, got our crosshairs. 27th. 27th of February was where we were at. It's over there. Yeah, I think it was around $20 that we bought Chainlink. Oh, maybe it was 19 something. Had to have been. Yeah, okay, so I think it was almost 18. So we're just about the same. Haven't really done anything on Chainlink. Kind of like ICP. It's going sideways. Now let's see how this is trading in relationship to Avalanche. Same thing. It's down. Had been... Oh, I'm not going to really get into that right now. Now let's go to Solana. Holy crap. So again, where was Solana when we were... It's doing it again, damn it. Come on, where's my crosshair? I don't know what this thing is doing. Try again here. There we go. February 27th. That can't be right. Did we buy Solana for $100? I guess so. I'm gonna have to go look. I must have. Wow, that is nice. That's crazy. That is absolutely insane. Yeah, you know what? Yeah, I think it was $110, 106, 110. Wow, good job. All right, so yeah, it's back when it was in its triangle pattern. Solana did bust a move, and looks like it is headed right to our target. Sweet. And let's measure that one right now. Well, you don't really need to. I think it was 106. For some reason, I have that line there. I don't know what that is. Wow. 94% for Solana. All right. So that kind of makes up for Chainlink and ICP, but they're going to have their turns in their rotation too. So yeah, I think those two are trading opposite. Let's see if I can let's look at Chainlink compared to Solana. Well, they're just going to be not going to really have much to say about it. Solana, in terms of Chainlink, I don't know. I'm not seeing anything here. I'm not seeing anything cool to talk about. All right. I just wanted to take a look at XRP too. It's kind of still. What is wrong with my cursor? I don't know why it's doing this. Christ. Where'd it go? Anyway, XRP is. Let's try this again. Let's see if I can get my cursor back. You know what it is, I think, possibly. No? Kidding me? All right, we got our cursor back on XRP here. XRP is kind of trading in this symmetrical symmetrical triangle formed by the intersection of these two parallel channels here. And it's attempting to break out here and has come back into this channel. However, I do believe that we are trying to hold this red channel and trade within it. So although we did break out here, we fell back into the triangle. Looks like we may consolidate here between the red line and the top of the triangle here at around where we're at right now. When do we have to get out of there? April 1st we is our deadline to get out of there. And then possibly we might see a move upwards. Maybe 70. I think 72 wasn't that like a key area back here? Yeah, that's around 70 something right there. 73, 75. We had some highs back there, 70 75. So let's see what happens after that. Hopefully we'll break out here. Probably break out here, come back down, retest the top of that channel, and move upwards into April. Don't know. Don't know. Now, XRP still has court stuff going on, so probably it's just hanging out, waiting for that stuff to resolve, and I'm not up to date on what the status of that is. So I'd go check out, see what's going on with that. And now let's look at Bitcoin through the eyes of the Fidelity Bitcoin Trust. We can see market pre-orders are open, or it's open for pre-trading, I should say, whatever. And they're down a little bit, percentage point and a half, roughly. And so here we are, Fidelity. Now, we did last time erase the white channel we had for Fidelity and have kept the green channel. And it looks like price action, since its initial drop, has pretty consistently stayed snaking around the center line and between the upper and lower portions of this channel very nicely. So, that being said, if we want to maintain that, now pre-orders have been moving upwards a little bit. This was below, we're on a daily now. Red line was below the channel. Now we want to keep our wicks and everything inside this channel. We want to move up another 3/4 from where we're at right now. And if we would want to do something like get back up to the center line, it's like roughly a 10+% move back up to the center line of the channel over the next couple days. So let's go to our friend Bitcoin. Looks like it's heading back upwards, getting ready for today's open. Now we do have the FOMC meeting coming up. And let's get our little drawing thing. By open in the next couple hours, we'd have to move up to about 68.5. So still under our high there, our previous all-time high. Now, what if we we're going to move 10% or so over the course of the next couple days? What the hell is going on with this crap? There we go. That would take us up around 75,000. Let's see what we got up there. That'd be beyond our targets. That'd be up around the question mark. Maybe. And what that is the top of this pink channel that we've been trading in for a set of pink channels we've been trading in. We came all the way down to the, outside the last one that we had. And Everything's a bit wacky here. I'm on a daily time frame. Let's move to an hourly time frame here. See what's going on. Oh, now I forgot. The head and shoulders pattern did finish forming over the weekend here. Shoulder, head, shoulder. It's very, very steep and sloppy. This first shoulder is a little bit sloppy, but you can tell we got 1, 2, 3. Key thing, we have a nice neckline right there. So these patterns are typically changes from trading in various channels. And there they are. We are trading in a channel this way. I believe that we are now starting to trade in a channel upwards this way, this light blue channel. So we had been trading in a channel up this way, gave it a little switch this way, and now we're ready to move back up this way. The only thing that really I'm hesitant about is this FOMC meeting coming up on Thursday and it having a putting downward pressure on the market. So far, I did have this channel moved over to the left a little bit, and it really made nice with these lines here. I don't want to move it again. I got it placed very nicely where I want it, and it is nice with there. It's hitting those wicks, candle wicks, pretty nicely on the 1 hour chart. And it has wicked through here, but it's moving up into the green channel. Oh, and I wanted to see how it's doing on the 4 hour. Are we on a new 4 hour yet? Oh, we still have 1 more hour left on the 4 hour candle. So what that would be just a wick through this channel. And it looks like we're trying to close the candle body up in the channel. So that's nice. I like to see that. Hopefully we will do that and start a nice 4 hour candle here. So I'm bullish. I'm positive. What's the word I'm looking? I'm optimistic. There we go. Optimistic about Bitcoin's future here. I think we will stay within this channel and recover here. I think it's a bunch of bullshit. Bunch of people manipulating the market and having some fun. It took a lot. Wait, that's not what I want to do. Let's look at our heat map. Let's update it. 24 hour. There's a lot of leverage games going on over the weekend. Currently, there's a lot sitting up around just above the previous all-time high up here. Well, I mean, it's not a lot. How much is that? What were we talking? Yeah, tens of millions of different layers there. So, let's see. We'll leave it there. Let's see what happens. All right, like, subscribe, and see you next time.